What's up guys, welcome to day 29 of SHV, and I'm currently exporting my unboxing of the Moto G. But yeah, what I've got to do, I've got to flip and rotate the video file. So I've bought an app for 99p. It's not a big deal, I think I'll use it more in the future anyway. But I've got to like flip and rotate the files so it's like easier, so it's like a more point on view, because that's probably what I'm going to do for my all my unboxings now on. I'm going to put the iPad on and then I can flip it afterwards. But speaking of the actual phone, I'm really loving the phone. I was watching YouTube videos on it last night and I love the look at this. You can't really do it, one sec. But if you look, you can it's like live, it's really cool. Then there's like lots of different pages and it's just great, I love it so much. So I'm currently now going to wait for Carter's phone because he's ordered the same one as me, the Moto G, and yeah, he basically copied me. But that's what my mum's making downstairs. It smells so good. I don't even know, it says like cheese and onion something. Never heard of it before. But yeah, just gonna wait. It's quite empty actually. Oh god, I thought I was gonna drop my phone out one day. One sec, I better put a wrist strap on, guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the people to come with his phone. It's really nice and peaceful. It's empty compared to yesterday. There's like no cars, but that's because it's a working day, everyone's at work. But it's hump day, so it's the middle of the week already, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, just gonna wait. It should be within the next hour. It said between 12:22 and 1:22 on the tracking website, so hopefully it shouldn't be that long. Phone acquired. Where should I put it? Yeah, that looks good. Sorted. Awesome. Try and get his reaction on camera as well when he comes in. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be in or not. So, yeah. It's currently 22:02 and I'm just running a bath. But I don't care. I probably won't go out till like later. I don't know. We'll see.
Morning, just been relaxed.
That's not all I had, by the way. I had more.
And stuff. Gonna get the bin in now. Good afternoon.
What are your thoughts on the thing so far? The Motorola Moto G. I always forget that name.
Oh, I remember it. It's really nice. It's really kind of steady, but I can't remember my password.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I got it.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Is it that one what I just said?
What? I don't know. I don't think so, no.
Alright. Are you sure it's not
I think
I'm just about to go out now. I'm not sure if I'll film anything, but yeah. You ever do that when, even when I go out to skate park or whatever, I can't decide what to wear? I've just tried about 5 different tops on, and this is the first one that I tried on. I don't know, it must be just me, but yeah, I'm about to probably go to Morrison's first, check my bank account, because it's like on the way. It's like literally like 2 minutes away, and then I'll head up to the skate park and meet some peeps.
I can't do it.
Oh, yeah.
Pop that out. It's in the morning. What the fuck was that?
You sound like a dying donkey.
Wait it! Shit on my fucking chest! Come on!
Shall you made it closer? So that one.
I love black on men. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah.
So guys, I'm sorry about that last clip. Was only having a bit of fun, you've got to understand that, and yeah, we didn't mean any harm, it's just how we are, we just like to have a laugh, and yeah, please don't hate on that. It was just a little bit of fun, we always do it. When I'm with my friends, that's the real me, and I'm not like trying to offend anyone. I didn't know they would go say those things, but yeah, anyway, I'm sorry, and I know you guys will understand, but we won't do it again, I promise.